we are studying chapter integers, and today we will discuss the division of integers. So first of all, consider the multiplication statement. 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10. So corresponding division statement, if we divide minus 10 divided by 2, it will come out to be minus 5, and minus 10 divided by minus 5, it will come out to be 2. So अगर हम minus 10 को 2 से डिवाइड, minus 10 divided by 2, then we are getting the answer minus 5. और अगर हम माइनस 10 को, दूसरे स्टेटमेंट माइनस 10 को अगर माइनस 5 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर 2. सो फॉर वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टेटमेंट there are two division facts. So for division of integers, let us consider minus 12 divided by minus 3. तो माइनस 12 को अगर माइनस 3 से डिवाइड करें, we will get minus 12 divided by minus 3, minus से minus cancel, so 12 upon 3 it will come out to be 4. So minus 12 divided by minus 3, it is equal to plus 4. So corresponding division statement, minus 12 divided by minus 5 into minus 7, it comes out to be plus 35. So if we divide 35 divided by minus 5, then it will give us a result as minus 7. Again, if we divide 35 by minus minus 7, it will give us a result as minus 5. So for one multiplication statement, there are two division statements. If we divide a negative number minus 15 by 3 positive 3, so minus divided by plus, it comes out to be minus, and 3 5s are 50. Second type, if we divide 12 by minus 2, so plus divided by minus, it comes out to minus 2 6 the 12. Third fact is minus 18 divided by minus 9. Minus gets cancelled with minus. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 8. So it comes out as 2 upon 1, or it is 2. So these are rules for division of integers. Now what will happen if we divide minus 2 by 1? The result will be minus 2, because minus divided by plus will give you sign minus. So if we divide by 1, we get the same integer. So for any integer a, if we divide by 1, it comes out to be same integer a. So these are few rules for division. If we divide 12 by minus 3, it comes out to be minus 4. So it means it can be written as minus 12 divided by minus 3, it will 12 divided by minus 3, it will give you minus 4. Or if minus 12 is divided by 3, again we will get a result minus 4. So minus 12 divided by 3 will give you result minus 4. It means A divided by minus B is equal to minus A divided by B. Here one condition is that B should not be equal to 0 because division by 0 is not allowed. Now let us come to exercise 1.4. Question number 1, first part. Evaluate each of the following. So this division fact can be written as minus 30 upon plus 10. So when minus is divided by plus, we get minus. So 0 से 0 cancel, we get the answer minus 3. Again this can be written as plus 50 upon minus 5. When plus and positive integer is divided by negative integer, we get a negative integer. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So result is minus 10. Now next, minus 36 divided by minus 9. So minus minus cancel. So 36 upon 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So when we divide negative by negative, we get the answer as a positive 4. Now part 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Here we have bracket in this question. So first we will solve the integers inside the bracket. So minus 2 plus 1 दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है 1, लेकिन वह minus 2 पड़ा है, तो इसका साइन कौन सा आएगा माइनस. Now this can be written as plus 13 divided by minus 1. So when a positive integer is divided by negative, we get negative integer. 13 divided by 1, it is equal to 30. In this way you can solve remaining parts of this question. Now second question. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C for following integers. So this means that division is not distributive over addition. So what we have to verify, A divided by B plus C, it is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. We have seen that division multiplication is distributive over addition, but this statement shows that division is not distributive over addition. Let us take a first part of the second question. Here A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 2. So first take the left hand side of the inequality. A is 12, A A divided by B plus C, 12 divided by B is minus 4, C2, 12 divided by 4 और 2 का डिफरेंस 2, 4 बड़ा है so it will be minus 2, so plus divided by minus we get minus sign, so 2 6 is 12, so left hand side is equal to minus 6. Now let us consider right hand side. In the right hand side we have A divided by B plus A divided by C. So A is 12 divided by B is minus 4 plus A 12 divided by C 2. So 12 is positive integer and 4 is negative. When we divide positive by negative, we get negative integer. So 4 3s are 12 plus 2 6 is 12. So minus 3 plus 6 can be written as 6 minus 3. So it comes out to be 3. So we have calculated separately. अलग अलग से हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट की है. जब A 12 है, B minus 4 और C कितना है 2. So left hand side is equal to minus 6 and right hand side is equal to 3. So this shows that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, this A divided by B plus C, it is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. This means that division is not distributive over addition. So in this way you can try the second part and third question and remaining questions of this exercise. This is all for today. Thanks.